Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw Hifami through Gcash. So let's start. Step 1. Initiate withdrawal in Hifami. So you have to log in Hifami account and navigate to the withdrawal or balance section. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Since Hifami doesn't have a direct Gcash withdrawal option, select the closest available options such as bank transfer or e-wallet. Number 2. Step 2. Confirm the withdrawal. Review all the details for accuracy, including the withdrawal amount and your Gcash account. Confirm the transaction. Number 3. Wait for the funds to be credited. Once the withdrawal is confirmed, Hifami will send you the funds to link your Gcash account. The process will take anywhere from 20 to 72 hours for the money to be reflected in your Gcash wallet. So that's the way to do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. And remember, don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.